Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If some apps on your iPhone are not working when you are using mobile data, then don't worry, because in this short and to the point video I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this issue step by step. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Method 1. Enable mobile data for individual apps. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now tap on cellular or mobile data. Make sure the mobile data toggle at the top is turned on. Next, tap on mobile data options and here turn low data mode off if it is enabled. Now go back, scroll down to the list of apps and make sure the toggle is green for the apps you want to use on mobile data. Method 2. Check date and time zone settings. Incorrect date and time settings can sometimes affect app functionality. Go to the Settings app on your device. Now scroll down and tap on General. Scroll down again and tap on Date and Time. Here, turn set automatically off temporarily. Now check if the date, time and time zone are correct. If not, set them manually. Once corrected, you can turn set automatically back on. Method 3. Check content and privacy restrictions. Sometimes screen time restrictions can prevent apps from using mobile data. To check this, open the Settings application on your device. On the Settings, scroll down and tap Screen Time. Now scroll all the way down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Here, make sure restrictions are enabled. Now scroll down and tap on Mobile Data. Here, make sure the option is set to Allow. If it's set to Don't Allow, your apps won't be able to access mobile data. Method 4. Update or reinstall the app. If the problem still isn't fixed, then it might be an issue with the app itself. First, open the App Store on your iPhone. Now tap on your profile at the top right. Next, scroll down to the Available Updates section. Here you will see a list of apps that have pending updates. To update all of them at once, simply tap Update All. You can also update individual apps by tapping the Update button next to each one. Method 5. Reset network settings. To do this, first open the Settings app on your device. On the Settings, scroll down and tap on General. Then scroll all the way down and tap Reset or Transfer or Reset iPhone, depending on your iOS version. Now select Reset Network Settings. Enter your iPhone passcode and confirm it once more. This will only reset your Wi-Fi, cellular and VPN settings. It won't delete any of your personal data or media. And that's it. These methods should help you resolve the issue of apps not working on mobile data. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.